Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Fiverr account password. Whether you've forgotten your login details or simply want to update your security, this straightforward process will have you back into your account in no time. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it to begin the login process. After clicking Sign In, you'll see several login options appear. For this tutorial, we need to select Continue with Email/Username. This option allows you to proceed using your registered email address or your Fiverr username, whichever you prefer to use. Now, in the field that appears, type in either your email address or your Fiverr username. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any issues. Once you've entered your information, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This is the gateway to resetting your credentials. Next, you'll be prompted to confirm that you want to reset your password. Click on the Reset Password button to proceed. This action triggers Fiverr to send a password reset link to the email address associated with your account. The system will begin processing your request, so give it a moment to complete. Now it's time to check your email. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to your email inbox. Look through your recent messages for an email from Fiverr regarding your password reset request. It should arrive within a few minutes, though sometimes it might take a little longer depending on your email provider. Once you locate the Fiverr message, click on it to open it. Inside the email, you'll find a button or link that says Reset Your Password. Click on this link, which will redirect you back to Fiverr's website to a special password reset page. This is where you'll create your new login credentials. On the password reset page, you'll see a designated field where you need to enter your new password. Choose something secure but memorable, ideally combining letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance your account security. Type your new password carefully into this field. Below that, you'll find another designated field asking you to confirm your password. This is an important security measure to ensure you've typed your new password correctly. Re-enter the exact same password you just created in this confirmation field. Finally, once both password fields are filled out correctly, click the Change button to finalize the reset process. Fiverr will update your account credentials and you'll be able to log in using your new password immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your Fiverr account password and regained access to your account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.